Hello, this is an All Powers 1.5 kilowatt hour power bank, and I've been using this now for about 4 months, and I've got to say I'm very impressed by it. Now, as you see at the moment, I've got it on hookup into my motorhome. I'm on a campsite, so it's not actually necessary, but it was worth it to try out an experiment, particularly on a lovely sunny day like today. As you can see, the sun is just about to go in, so that means to say that I'm not going to get much out of the solar panel. Now the solar panel is 140 watts, and so I was taking in today, at peak was about 80. So you know, it's autumn, it's October, so I think that's to be expected. Now the big thing about this piece of equipment, which I think is important, is it's so light. It is really light. It's the lightest one I know of. Now it might have sacrificed something else to get this lightness, that I don't know, but for carrying it around, it really is quite easy. Now I'll put it back on its side because it shouldn't really be like that. The solar panels, as you can see, they've got these stands. They've got a little pouch there to keep the wires in, so that's quite convenient. They can be actually linked to others, so I've got 3 of these solar panels now, so I'm get 420 watts into the generator should I so desire. But for the moment, I think it's worked out for me quite well. Now it's now coming into the winter months. I'm living in the vehicle. This is of course going to be probably more useful now when it's more difficult to actually get solar. Normally the solar on the roof in the summer is perfectly adequate for my needs, but this now coming into the winter, a little bit of extra power from this and the other ones I've got, and that should see me through without running out of electricity for my computer and other things inside the vehicle. Now obviously you wouldn't normally be on hookup on something like this, but as a way of getting you out of problems, it'll do, won't it? I mean, it's you're off site somewhere, link this all up like that. I think that's a good solution. Anyway, what do you think? I'll give you a link to where you can get one of these should you be interested. But for the moment, from me, thanks for watching. Bye for now.